Troubleshooting Xumo TV app loading issues, a quick guide. Is your Xumo TV app failing to load? Don't worry, it's a common issue, especially with recent Android and iOS updates. The primary fixes involve clearing the app's cache, updating the app, or reinstalling it. These steps address corrupted data, outdated software, and compatibility problems. By following these steps, you can quickly restore access to Xumo TV's streaming content. First, clear the cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Xumo TV, tap Storage, and clear the cache. On iOS, this isn't directly possible, so reinstalling is often necessary. Next, update the app. Visit the Google Play Store or App Store and ensure Xumo TV is updated to the latest version. Finally, if problems persist, reinstall the app. Uninstall it from your device, then re-download and install it from the App Store. These steps ensure a clean slate and often resolve deep-rooted issues. Also, ensure your device meets the minimum requirements, Android 6.0 or iOS 12.0, and a stable internet connection of at least 5 Mbps.